we are in the business of connecting people for a better future. And so we figured if this is one of the ways in which we can connect young entrepreneurs in Lesotho to a better future for their businesses, let's go for it. And we're happy that today 10 Basotho entrepreneurs have 20 gig data guaranteed every month for a period of 24 months. We realize that we're experts in connecting people, like I said. So you talk anything from mobile money to the best internet solution to voice solutions for your business or for your personal use. That's us. O bua ka motjha o tjhele, o bua ka tora e ntjha, o bua ka hore na ditjhelete tsa maqheku di ka finyella ho bona jwang ka tsela e bolokehileng. Ke rona mono no. But we won't sit here and ignore a very important aspect in business that's called collaboration. So we took it upon ourselves to say, okay, and show them that their dreams are really valid. So existing within a community where everybody plays their role, our role is to communicate or connect them to their customers. Another interesting aspect is this leg that we are in now. We want to drive the passion for locally produced products amongst Basotho. So by this, I think people will notice I've been dangling this face mask. It's from one of the producers that ended up in the top 10. This here is another example of merchandise created by one Joachim. And then here, a global brand, but which has been given a local touch by people that customize. Even this bag is from a producer from way back. I think that's Haka Productions. But the local narrative needs every one of us to come to the party and support one another and help one another grow an actual industry.